Want to run Windows 11 without installing it on your main computer? In this video, I'll show you how to install Windows 11 on Hyper-V from start to finish. Open the Start menu, search for Hyper-V Manager. And open it. When it launches, click your computer's name on the left. On the right side, click New, then select Virtual Machine. When the wizard appears, click Next. Enter a name for your virtual machine. I'll call mine Windows 11. Click Next. Select Generation 2. Windows 11 requires Generation 2 because it supports UEFI, Secure Boot, and TPM. Click Next. Enter the amount of memory you'd like to assign. 4096 megabytes is a good starting point. Then click Next. Under Connection, select Default Switch. This gives your virtual machine internet access without any additional configuration. Leave the default virtual hard disk settings. For the disk size, I recommend 64 gigabytes or larger. Click Next. Choose Install an operating system from a bootable image file. Click Browse, locate your Windows 11 ISO, and click Open. Click Next. Review the summary, and then click Finish. Before starting the virtual machine, we need to enable TPM. Click your newly created virtual machine. Click Settings. Select Security. Make sure Enable Secure Boot is checked. Then check Enable Trusted Platform Module. Click Apply, and then OK. Click your virtual machine once to select it. Below the virtual machine name, click Connect. A new window will open. Click Start. After a few moments, the Windows 11 installer will appear. Click Next. Click I don't have a product key if you plan to activate Windows later. Accept the license terms and click Next. Windows will now begin copying files and installing automatically. The virtual machine will restart several times during the installation. Simply let it continue until the setup screen appears. Congratulations! Your Windows 11 virtual machine is now ready to use. And that's it! You've successfully installed Windows 11 on Hyper-V. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Windows tutorials, tips, and troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.